In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix Instagram automatically crashing on Android. So if the Instagram application is crashing on your device, there might be various reasons behind it. The first reason might be unstable internet connection. So make sure you're connected to a stable network. After you do that, your problem can be solved. If your problem is still not solved, what you can do is simply try updating the app. For that, launch open Play Store on your device. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. Tap on the search icon that you'll be able to see at the bottom. Now after you do that, tap on the search bar. Now what you have to do is simply search for Instagram. You'll be able to see the results over here. Find the application for Instagram and tap on it. Now after you do that, you'll be able to find the option for update. Tap on it. Now wait for a while and Instagram will be updated. After the update is completed, your problem should be solved. If the Instagram still crashes, what you can do is simply try clearing the app cache. Open the app library of your device, find the application for Instagram and long press on it. Now tap on this option App Info. Now you'll be led to the App Info interface of Instagram. Tap on this option Storage and Cache. Now over here you'll be able to find the option for clear cache. What you have to do is tap on it. Now once the cache has been cleared, your problem should be solved. But if your problem is still not solved, what you can do is simply try force stopping the Instagram app. For that, in the app info interface, tap on this option force stop. Now tap on the option OK and Instagram will be force stopped for a while. After that, your problem should be solved. But if your problem is still not solved, there might be some problem with the device itself. So what you have to do is long press on the power button. After you do that, you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on the option restart and your device will be restarted. After you do that, your problem should be solved and Instagram should not crash. So like this, you'll be able to fix your problem. So that is how you fix Instagram keeps crashing on Android. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.